In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok login issues. Now, if TikTok is not letting you log into your account, there could be a few reasons to that. The first reason could be that TikTok is facing an issue right now. So what that means is TikTok servers are down and you wouldn't be able to perform any kinds of tasks within the app of TikTok. Now, if that is not the problem, the second thing that you can do is try to update the app of TikTok. Open up your Play Store or the App Store. So if the app of TikTok has an update, you can tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now, even if you update it and you still can't log in, the last thing that you can do now is to uninstall the app of TikTok and then install it again. You can simply tap and hold the app of TikTok and then tap on uninstall. And once the app has been uninstalled, you can quickly head over to Play Store or the App Store and download it again, and you can try logging in from this way. As I earlier said, the main reason could be that TikTok's server is facing an issue. Most of the times this will be the exact problem, so what you need to do is you need to wait out a couple of hours and try to log into your account. And what you'll see is that after you wait out a couple of hours, you can easily log into your TikTok account without having any issues. So those are the couple of things that you can do in order to fix this problem. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.